Hello everyone, it's day 47 and we are bringing back the content of now moving towards profile. API integration part of that is that we will integrate profile menu of the front end with the back end of the profile APIs. So just check the Jira and mark the task that we are going to start it. And just remember the date of the deadline to finish it, and the due date is 1 August. So I hope we will finish it by today or by tomorrow. So let's get back to the code and understand that first. So in profile, there are two tasks we need to do it. One is we have to bring the one is we have to bring the data from the front end or from the back end APIs. So and second is update the data whenever that requires. So for that we will use this onMounted function. And if that is the case, what we require, we need to import use router from view router, and we are using Axios to import Axios from Axios. Now what we will do, we'll write cons response is equals to axios.get slash API slash profile comma headers equals to. So let's check here to send headers using Axios. So now you can see we will use this. Access token. So let's see this. This is access token. Now there was a custom header and we require anything more? No. So we will just remove that. See, check this using. So it is stating to remove this, and all of this should be inside a try block. Try catch block. And here it should be returned. So let's remove this. Nothing to worry about that. Let's see what this console log shows. Based on that, we will do. We will set up email equals to response.data.email. So I am setting this up and trying to run this. First, let's run this much. Now we will run here. See, by the time it is running. So similarly, let's mark a email instead of email value equals to response.data.password. So we are doing inspect, and in the console will be seen. Let's go to profile. So on mounted is not defined. It says on mounted is not defined. So we have to use import on mounted. Already here we have used, so we are able to use that. Here we have missed that, so it says the error. Let's see. So you can see the value is undefined. Value is undefined. Let's see what the response is. If you are not able to find that, let's see. Let's clear this and refresh this page. Also check in the application, is there access token? Access token is there. So there must be something in the network tab. See where that is. see, this is not working. Okay, so I have to use async. So let's use this. So if it is not showing, so let's go to app.py to see API/profile. And in that, even we can see in the profile we have get. So there is no response in the backend as well. So there is error in the front end code that the response has not been sent. Anything more is required here. We require username. Thing is, we do not require username. What we require username from the this file. So let me see this. This is not sending any APIs. So we can see the email. We can see that username is not there because we have username is not defined. So let's define that. Dot value is equals to response dot username. Now you can see the test message is fetched successfully. Data, all right. So we have fetched this. So let's mark this here. This function on update. So we get the data, and what we do, we will use this. See, we have made like that. We have to use put. Sending data. See, we are sending the data. And now in data, you can say data equals to data. Now even you can remove this from here and write data here, comma this. With that, you can now console.log response.data. So we have used this. So let's clear this, refresh this. Now I want username to be test1. Now the print is response.json is this one, because now you can see in the profile what I am sending when there is a put. I'm sending the data. So there is email, password, all sort of those things. Also it says access token is not defined. So let's define this in the function itself again. Storage dot get item. Now you can see we have sent a request, we get this data. Data has been updated. So let's suppose you just reference this page. Found. Again in the get. So now profile didn't found because that's the case that whenever we update it, we didn't update it in the token. So we will check that thing. So that's again another issue, potential issue. So we will do that here. So I guess user. So it's simply user is equals to username. Now I want something. I want to set the user new identity. So there is a potential issue in getting the new token based on that ID, and we will look into that portion tomorrow. But by the time we can set it up that both the things are working, and we will mark the in progress, and we will come back tomorrow here and finish the profile page by tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the session and learned. Let's finish it here. Thank you.